In recent years, AI chatbots like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and others have become increasingly popular. Most of these models run on powerful cloud servers and are accessed through the internet. Gemma is different. It is Google's family of open-weight AI models developed using research and technology from the Gemini project. These models are designed to deliver strong AI capabilities while remaining efficient enough to run on consumer hardware. Before looking at the app itself, let's understand one important concept: parameters. Every AI model contains parameters, which are the values learned during training. Different Gemma models have different parameter counts. Depending on the model version, they may contain millions of parameters. Generally, large models can understand and generate more complex responses, but they also require more storage, memory, and processing power. On the Gemma website, we can see multiple variants with different parameter sizes. This allows users and developers to choose a model based on the hardware they have available. Now let's move to Google's Edge Gallery app. Edge Gallery is an application that allows AI models to run directly on your device. Instead of sending every request to a cloud server, the model is downloaded onto the phone and processed locally. An internet connection is required to download the model initially, but once downloaded, many features can work without an internet connection. Let's start with the AI chat. Inside AI chat, multiple Gemma models are available. Each model has a different size and parameter count. For this demonstration, I'll download one of the available models and ask it a few questions. As you can see, the response is being generated directly on the device. Because everything runs locally, the speed depends heavily on the phone's hardware. Newer flagship devices generally provide a smoother experience, while older or entry-level phones may respond more slowly. And next is Ask Image. This feature allows us to upload an image and ask questions about it. Let's upload a sample image. Now I will ask the model to describe what it sees. The model analyzes the image and generates a response based on the visual content. According to Google, these models also support a large number of languages, making them useful for users around the world. Next is Audio Scribe. Here we can either upload an audio file or record audio directly. The model converts spoken content into text directly on the device. This can be useful for notes, interviews, lectures, or meetings. Now let's look at agent skills. Agent skills combine AI with device capabilities to perform more complex tasks. For example, we can provide an image and ask the AI to identify objects, summarize visual information, or perform other guided actions. This demonstrates how local AI can be used for more than just chatting. One thing to keep in mind is hardware requirements. Running AI models locally requires storage space, RAM, and processing power. Larger models consume more resources and may generate significant heat during extended uses. If you're using an older or lower-end smartphone, you may experience slow response times, increased battery usage, or difficult loading larger models. In those cases, choosing a smaller model is usually the better option. Overall, Edge Gallery provides an easy way to experiment with Google Gemma models directly on Android devices. It allows users to explore AI chat, image understanding, audio transcription, and agent-based features while keeping much of the processing on the device itself. For anyone interested in running AI locally instead of relying entirely on cloud services, it's an interesting project to explore.